In Stella 3.8.1, we've added in the ability to import a run into an interface to make it easier to compare previous runs or to pull in data from other sources. Now, this actually works best in conjunction with a new export option, where if I do export here, tag variables, you see there's an option to export formatted for import, so that when everything goes out, instead of having numbers and variable names in display format, everything will be ready for import. And then the import side is just basically there's an import run action that's now available for buttons, and I'm going to do that. Of course, on the desktop, you could do all this with the old data manager, but you can now do this on the interface when published as well, and that's what I want to show you next. So here's that model published to the interface. I'm going to change some of the uncertainty parameters a little bit to make things more successful and run it. We'll get a series of new values with slightly better performance. And if I go into my run management console now, what I can do is I can export the current run results. I'll just use the default data export here. It exports that. Exported it with a 5 after it because apparently there have been ones before that. I'm going to restore devices here. And I'm going to import saved runs, choose file. I'll get the most recent one, and we can see we have now the same information we had before. So this allows someone who the published interface to export the values, put them on their desktop or store them somewhere else, and then reopen the interface now or at a later date and re-import them to make a comparison with something that they have done before.